Get ready to test your deductive reasoning skills with Sino, Anino, an exciting and challenging investigative card game that will have you on the edge of your seat. Suitable for 3 to 7 players, this game will keep you engaged for 30 minutes to an hour. The goal is to catch the player holding the elusive Anino card, but here's the twist. Nobody is allowed to lie throughout the game. With 14 unique character cards, each with a name, icon combination, and special persona ability, every round is different. To start, remove the Anino card and some random cards from the deck, then shuffle and distribute the remaining cards equally among the players. Players choose one card to serve as their persona and keep the rest hidden. In your turn, you can choose to do only one of the following actions. 1. Investigate by icon. Pick one character icon and ask all the players who among them has this icon in their possession. Players with one or more cards that have this icon should raise their hand. 2. Investigate by count. Pick one player and ask them how many cards do they have that have one of the icons you are investigating. 3. Activate your persona card in your turn. You can permanently reveal your persona card to activate its ability. You must use all of that character's ability during your turn. 4. Accusation. If you have already deduced who is the player that is holding the Anino card, you can make an accusation. If your accusation is correct, you win the game, but if not, you lose all of your abilities until the end of the game. And don't forget, the player holding the Anino card wins if only 2 players are left standing. Are you ready to put your detective skills to the test? Play Sino, Anino and find out